Okay, so another similar device that you see in kitchen refrigeration. You'll see this MR4 Johnson's controller. It's similar to how how this is wired. It's essentially this. It's a analog defrost clock and manual temp control, and it's just combined into a digital format. So this does the same thing. So this component here will be our solenoid. This would be for like a refrigerator. So your defrost controller, our solenoid. Okay. So how these are typically wired is you're gonna have, so the power to energize the temp control is gonna be between, you're gonna land wires on 120 and L2. And see, I have a jumper wire here. We'll just take this jumper wire real quick. Well, it's kind of hard. I'm not gonna fucking take that thing off. Okay, so you're gonna jump power from L2. So you're jumping power from essentially your coil over to the relay terminals. That's what this jumper is for. This is the same as an intermatic defrost clock. You jump power from 1 to 2. It's essentially the same thing that you're doing right here. So we're gonna jump power from L2. We're gonna jump power from L2 to CP1. Because with these, we have the coils energized in refrigeration mode. So we do CP1, CP2. And we'll use just an appliance cable. Gonna pigtail our commons together. Okay. Now this is just for fun. So we'll pigtail our commons together, make things easier. This poking out. So this is L2 and 120. So we'll go ahead and, these things are kind of difficult without the right connectors. Just gotta shove the wire in there for now. For our example here. Okay. This is gonna be our 120 leg. Okay, there's 120. So it's yeah, let's plug it in and see if the clock comes on. See? Okay. Turns on. The sensor's telling me it's 71 degrees. We'll unplug it. So now I'll take there's a wire here, and we're gonna run power from CP2. This is just the other side of the relay switch. It's like the other side of our switch here. We'll go to CP2. Oops. These things are terrible. Okay. Screwdriver. Okay, so now we'll hook our blue wire up to CP2. Let's see if it'll even stick on there. Okay, this wire is going to go to our solenoid. Sensors. Excuse me, kitty. And then our power cable. Get our solenoid wired up. So let's plug it in. What this energizes. Oh, okay, so the wires are backwards. Nice. Okay, so I think what that means is these two wires are backwards. So actually your L2 is your line 1. Let's go to line 20. Just like so. Let's see here. Should energize? There you go. Okay. So when it's in defrost, it's gonna just de-energize your coil. But I'm guessing our temperature is a lot higher than the defrost termination setting. So let's go in and see. So we'll hold down enter until we get to the menu. I have these things memorized, sadly. We'll go to DT, I'm guessing. DT, we'll press enter. Yeah, it's at 55. Let's see the max temp that it'll go. So it'll go to 68. So I think if I have some cold water, and I could lower the temperature a little bit. Excuse me, kitty. You want some water, cat? So I put the sensors in a cup of water. It's kind of cold. So it's saying it's 54 degrees. Okay. So I think if I hold the manual defrost, the coil will de-energize. Yep. And there you go. Typical temp controller. These are on every type of refrigerator. They work similar. A freezer, they're just gonna have a, a defrost setting, or you're just gonna send power down to a heating element. But other than that, there you go.